Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle multiple windows in Selenium. Let's get started. This is our web page and here we are going to do the scenario of close all windows except primary window. So if you click on this close windows button, it will open 3 new windows and we need to close this primary window. So let's see how to write the script for this. Go to your Eclipse IDE, go to your package, right click, select new and then select class. Here give the class name. Select this checkbox and click on the finish button. Now launch the web browser. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. And then open the web page. Driver.getOff. Here we need to copy the URL. So this is our web page URL. And here import this Firefox driver and clear this error. Now we need to locate this element. So we are clicking this close windows button and we need to locate this button. So right click, go to inspect and this is the button element and here we have ID. So locate this element by ID. So write the script as web element close button equal to driver dot find element by dot ID and here paste the ID. Now we need to click on that button. So close button dot click. Okay. Now here we need to use the get window handle function. So before that we need to get the ID of this parent window. So this is the parent window and here we need to get this ID driver dot, because each window have a separate ID. So let's take the window ID of the parent window first. Driver dot get window handle and store this in a string variable. String parent window equal to get window handle. Now we need to identify the window ID of all the other open windows. So for that we need to use the get window handles method. So write driver dot get window handles method and we need to store this in a set collection. So set of string and here give any variable name window handles equal to driver dot get window handles. Here we need to import this set utility. Now we need to close all the other windows except this primary window. So we can do this using a for each loop. So for each, press Ctrl space and press enter and it will give the syntax. So here we can change this variable name all window handles. Okay. So it will take this window ID one by one and it will store in this variable. Now we can use an if condition and we can compare the window ID of the new window with the parent window ID. If this all window handles equals this parent window, then driver dot close. Here it will take the first window ID and it will store here, then it will compare that ID with the parent window ID. So in this case it will close the parent window, but our condition is we need to close all windows except primary window. So first let's execute this and see what is happening. So right click, run as Java application. So here you can see the parent window is closed, but our condition is different. So we need to close all other windows except the primary window. So use a not condition here. So if it is not equal to parent window, close the windows. And before that, we need to do a switch to condition, because now the control is with the parent window and we need to switch that control to the child window. For that, write driver dot switch to dot window of this value. Now it will close all the other windows except the parent window. So let's run the script again. So it opened the other windows and it closed the windows one by one, and the parent window is still there. So let me explain the script again. So first launch the web browser, then open the web page, identify the window ID of the parent window ID using the get window handle function, then locate the button element, so which we are going to click, and then click the button, then get the window ID of all the other windows and store it in a set collection. Now use a for loop. So it will take the first window ID, store here, and it will compare it with the parent window ID. So if the window ID is not equal to the parent window ID, then it will close the browser window, and before that we need to switch the control from the main web page to the child window. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.